Good morning, my name is Mike. I'm also the UGC dad. I'm going to make a quick little video here about how I use YouTube to maintain my portfolio. There's kind of two parts to it. So I'm going to show you here. This is my website. This is mikedancy.com. I have a menu up here, and one of the menu options is UGC Creator. That takes you to this page, and it gives like a brief little overview of who I am and work I've done and the audience and such. But as you go down, you'll see that I keep my Fiverr UGC sample video, an introduction video, a recent review, a bunch more reviews where I've done paid content, for example. And all of these, you'll notice that has that little YouTube symbol right there. So how that works is I then, in my website here, it's a WordPress website. You don't need to go this far, but I place a lot of my videos there from my YouTube channel, which is right here. This is UGC Dad. This is my one channel right here. And I upload my YouTube videos just by clicking create, and then you're going to upload a video. And this is where I keep my samples, I guess you'd call them. Now, not all of them, as you can look here, you'll see that these are all public. But I do keep some as unlisted, like this Bloom Energy drink, which I really fucked up on. It's completely wrong. But I'll keep them here, or I'll have them for clients to review a video sometimes. So I'll leave a video up here. You can see this Tech Me Hearing Aid one, or the one below it. And that's really the client. Like, I'll post it up there for the client to preview before making it available to them for after I get paid. But this is where I'll keep a lot of my videos. I should keep all my videos here. This is UGC Dad. It's the one you're watching this on. It's kind of like I call it my junk drawer. And that's how I do it. So now when you are reaching out to these brands and they ask you for your portfolio, what I would normally do is I would just send them a couple of videos that I've created here, rather unlisted or public, and I would send a link to the branding company, for example, or to the marketing company or whoever's looking for the content, and say, here's some samples. And then that way they can just click the link, boom, there's my video, they watch it. You don't have to make a really fancy, pretty portfolio, because really when you are dealing with these clients, these people, like your potential clients, they don't care. Unless they're really going for a certain aesthetic. They just want to make sure that you can produce a video and get it done fast and it looks somewhat decent and it's coherent. So that's how I do it mainly. I mean, this isn't rocket science. You're probably overthinking it if you haven't already started this. So that's it. That's how I make a cheap and easy portfolio. Sure, you can use something like Canva. I don't even know where to start. I would have no idea where to start on here. But I'm sure someone will tell you. Oh yeah, I'm working on a book right there. The UGC Dad's Guides to Earning on the Amazon Influencer Program. So if you're interested in that, leave a comment. Give me an incentive. Otherwise, I'll never get around to finishing it. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. If you like this kind of video, leave a comment, hit the like, hit the subscribe, and I'll make more videos like this.